Unit 4 Mid-Unit Assessment. Calculator inactive. Question 1. Jada made 6 cups of blueberry jam and divided the jam equally among 4 containers. How much jam went in each container? A. 2/3 of a cup. B. 1 cup. C. 3/2 of a cup. D. 24 cups. Question 2. Select all the expressions that are greater than 1. A. 5 divided by 9/10. B. 3/5 divided by 6. C. 4/5 divided by 3/7. D. 2 3/5 divided by 1 3/5. E. 12/5 divided by 13/5. Question 3. Jada has read 3/5 of a book. She has read 75 pages so far. How many pages are in the whole book? A. 45 pages. B. 105 pages. C. 120 pages. D. 125 pages. Question 4. A recipe for cookies calls for 2/3 of a cup of sugar per batch. Elena used 5 1/3 cups of sugar to make multiple batches of cookies. How many batches did she make? Question 5a. Write a multiplication equation that represents the question, how many 3/8 are in 5/4? 5b. Write a division equation that represents the question, how many 3/8 are in 5/4? Question 6. What is 3/4 divided by 1/8? Explain or show your reasoning. Question 7. Tyler used 1 1/4 gallons of paint to paint 5/7 of a fence. How many gallons will it take to paint the whole fence? Write a multiplication equation or a division equation to represent this question. Then find the answer. Show your reasoning. Question 7b. Claire is painting some doors that are all the same size. She used 2 liters of paint to cover 1 3/5 doors. How many liters of paint are needed for 1 door? Draw a diagram to represent the situation, then find the answer.